This is a Facebook page. If you have a business, then you will need to have a Facebook page. Unlike a personal profile, you are not able to run any Facebook advertisement. For this case, you can run a Facebook ads. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook page. Hi, this is Neil Tan. Now, first of all, let us go to your Facebook account. So make sure you've logged into your Facebook account and you should see something like this. All you have to do is look for this orange flag over here or over here. Now, if you don't see the flag, you may want to click on See More until you are able to find this orange flag or the flag on top here. Now, once you click on the flag, you will see something like this. So you have a list of Facebook pages. If you do not have, then you will see this as empty. For my case, I have a lot of different Facebook pages. Now, all you have to do is click on the create new page here. Click on the create new page and you'll see something like this. Now, let us give your page a name. So in this case, I'm going to put my page name as Neil Tan Demo 2. Alright, so I'm going to put demo for a case you may want to put a real name. Then next, select a category and then put in your information about your business. So tell people a little bit about what you do. So for this case, I'm going to put we are providing and so on. So you're going to put in your description about your business or about what you're doing. Next, click on the create page. All right. Next, you may want to put in your contact details. If you have a website, you can put in your website. If you have a phone number, put in your phone number. If you have an email, put in your email address. So as example, I'm going to put in my website. I'm going to put in my phone number. I'm going to put in my email address. Then you're going to put in your location. Now, if you have an office or perhaps your house is an office, you may want to put in this address. If you don't want to put it, you can leave it blank. Then next, you want to select your hours. No hours available, always open at selected hours. For this case, I'm going to put no hours available. Once done, click on next. Here, you may want to add your profile picture and your cover photo. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload your profile picture and your cover photo. For this case, I'm going to skip this part. I'm going to click on next. So you can invite your friends if you would like to invite your friends. For this case, I'm going to click on next. And if you want to receive marketing and promotional emails about your page, you can turn it on. Okay, for this case, I'm going to turn it on and I can click on done. Alright, so this is how you create your Facebook page. So this is 101 and I'll see you in the next one.